Sukalit Epsel Genie, Janelle Anbo, Red Armor versus Argalion.
Next to perform for Kumsley, dual female cadet civilians. Team number 1, Revalde and Bertuccio. And team number 2, Ikale and Cadela. Please perform now. Again, for Kumsley dual female cadet, Yellow Division. Team number 1 from Balian Civilians, Revalde and Bertuccio versus team number 2 from Civilians, Gimale and Nadella. Okay na ma'am, wala ka daw yan.
Kirugi Male Junior Sumerian, Limato Roland Zipsilians, Red Armor, Cuatro Rexani Panthers, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 1. Naan si Limato? Cuarto Rexani. Last Cuarto Panthers. Okay. Cuarto Rexani Panthers, Blue Armor.
Last call for Civilians.
Limato Roland Zipsilian, Red Armor.
Kumsley dual female cadet, Yellow, Gold. Team Civilians, Ikale and Nadella.
Kirugi Male Junior Intermediate, Laguno Reds Christian, Hip, Blue Armor, Teofilo Gilmore Luis, Red Armor, Zipsilian. Please proceed to court number 2. Final round.
Kumsley dual female junior yellow. Team number 1 from Civilians, Aspacio and Matutinaw.
Red Armor, Sicilians. Laguno Reds Christian, hit Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 2.
Please proceed to the match Mosaidu Female Junior from Sicilians Aspacio and Matutino versus from Sicilians Fuertes and Pimentel.
Final round, Kirugi Male Junior Intermediate.